Hello everyone! Welcome back to the Slow Boomer channel today. Today we got these little air intake scoops for the E92. I'm excited. We're officially going with the blue and yellow theme for this car. So yeah, open these up, see what's in here. These are from Autobahn Essentials. Use my code SLOWBEAMER10 for 10% off. I'll put the links and everything below. Okay. Yeah, they're metal, alright. Very nice. This is one of them. The install shouldn't be too bad. We just gotta pop out the grills. Did I bring a flathead? I didn't bring a flathead.
These look really nice. The paint was phenomenal.
Yeah. Let's get started, pop open the hood, and get to installing these. Let's do it.
Cool.
Okay, so basically we're gonna start off by taking these two little pins out. I'm just using a little flathead. We're gonna pop this top pin. Comes out a little bit. And then... Damn, let me take out my fingers. You know what would be useful? Some pliers.
Yeah, I agree.
Take this part out. Justin already got one side.
These things I can tell have not been out in a millennium.
This is what this looks like. Basically, you have to take this pin out, and then this flat part will just pop up. So now we gotta remove one. This one's already gone, actually. Wait, these two are gone.
Yeah,
It's
so
supposed to
already
be
had the
there.
battle, I know.
Okay, so half the battle. No, I don't think it's a 25. I think it's a 30. It's a T30. Yup.
Oh, there we go. Nice and easy.
There's one.
I need to get a handheld ratchet, dude. Like from like Harbor Freight.
That would be really useful.
Yeah, like zip, zip, zip.
I mean, but this isn't horrible.
Yeah, my small impact works on these too. Yeah, electric ratchet.
Okay. And those two are out. Yay.
We forgot to take these out.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah, we're skipping ahead.
Yeah.
Skipping ahead.
This one's a T20.
Nice.
Did I just... Oh, hold up. We're having technical difficulties. I put in the wrong hole.
Whoa, wait a minute.
But we're going to remove this screw and then also this one on this side to take the center part off. They're both T20s. Do you hear that?
Yeah. The ratchet?
No, it's like dirty.
No.
Like all the sand and stuff from...
Wherever this thing was?
Yeah, all the grit and dirtiness. Okay. Here we go. This part's off. That makes accessing the grill so much easier. And then now we just gotta take the grills off.
That blue pry tool works really well on those too, if you can't get it.
Here. There's one. I don't know if the camera can see, but it's
No, yeah, I
these
can.
3 tabs. There's one on this side.
There we go. This is that one tab on
Come
the
on.
left.
There we go. And then the center tab? I think it's the
Yeah.
center tab.
Yep.
What the heck?
I don't know.
It's so close, it's so far. Okay, there's one. Okay. Did you miss that part?
No, I caught it. Luckily, I
Okay.
clicked right. Yeah.
Yay.
Okay, now it's buck teeth. We're leaving it like this.
Okay, so this is what it's gonna look like.
Ooh, little scoops, little scoops.
Can't even see it.
Yeah, it is.
Great. So I got the little pin thing. Make sure it's lined up and I can see through the hole. You just literally pop her in. Yeah, I feel it.
Okay.
Okay, now time for the pin. We might need a little hammer or something.
I'll just use the end of something.
Yeah, we might need to do that.
I'll literally use your tool case.
Okay, well it's like halfway in. Actually, no, I got it. There we go.
good.
And
All
then
right.
I need this front one, which is T30. And we shine the light, babe. And then I'm just gonna line it up. The screw holes. Let's see.
Right there.
Right
Yep.
there.
Perfect.
Fuck, it's the wrong way.
There we go. Nice and easy. Okay.
Yeah. You wanna see how it looks from the front?
Yeah. Okay.
That's what they look like.
50 nice, 50 nice.
They're solid.
Yeah, they really are.
Alright, we got all the bolts back on in. Let's snap these grills in. How does it look from far
I can't
away?
really see it from here, but once I get down there, I can see it.
Okay, they're on there.
Awesome, and that's it. You can see them?
Oh yeah.
That's cool. It's a little shimmer yellow.
Nice. But yes, if you made it to the end of this, comment a yellow heart. I'll see y'all. Peace.